Hello class 6, good morning. Today we are going to see the chapter 4 mail merge. In the previous class we have seen how to create a data source, that means to whom we are sending the mail, how we'll create a list of such persons to whom we are sending the mail. Now, today we will see how to edit the list. If we want to add some more names in their list, how we will do, and we will see how we will perform the merging of the list. So come, I will show one by one steps. So first of all, I have to open the MS Word and I have to open the blank document, and to whom we have to send the letter. First we have to format the letter like that. Three lines for the address line, how much items you have to add, you leave that much line and write down here dear, and then here in collaboration we have to write a letter to whatever we have to send. As in a book it is given, national sports associations, this is our letter that we have to send to the many persons. So what we have to do first, go to the mailings and select the recipient. If you have existing list you can click on that. In the study class we have seen, then I have to select here my list, not here. I saved on desktop, so I will go to the desktop and then I will save here my list, and then I will click on open. Then I will click here edit recipient list, and then I will select the list and I will click on edit. Clear? I need new entry, so click on new entry here and I will add some more name, Mr. Deepak Misra, contact number, email ID deepak@gmail.com. Again new entry, I will click here Mr. Dheeraj Srivastav, some number, and I will add dheeraj@gmail.com. Clear? After that I will click on OK. Yes, update. That means list are updated here. Okay. Now I will start the mail merge. I will click on start mail merge option here, and then I will do step by step mail merge wizard. I have to select the existing list from this mail merge option, this field. Clear? Then I will click write here later. Later is done. Then what I have to do, I will click here and I will click on the more items. I need here first name, so I inserted here first name. Then I need also last name, inserted here. Then I need contact number, I need email ID. After that, first name and last name we have to give some space given, and the contact number has to come downside, so press enter key here. We can arrange in which way we have to do, and email ID also downside. Then here dear, we have to also insert first last name title and last name. Clear? Last name I inserted many times, so we can delete here. Now your format are ready. Now we will click preview your letter. Look here. After clicking here preview or your letter, we will get here items, how many addresses, yeah, how many records we have saved. One by it will show all. Look, it is automatically changing. Clear? Then what we have to do, we have to write complete the merge. As I will click on this option, complete the merge, where my mouse pointer is showing here, it will show all the pages with the different addresses in your document. Click here, complete the merge. Now look here, edit individual letter, click here, all. Now see here, it is showing here everyone to whom you want to send the mail, the pages are ready. Now you can do all the works here. Clear? So this is a mail merge data that we can do. From here, if you want to print, you can print. That is a things. Now this chapter is also finished. Thank you class. I hope you understand how to use the mail merge in MS Word to send letters with the different addresses. If you want to print, you can print. So thank you class. This chapter is also finished. I hope you understand all the concept. Thank you.